Welcome dear all. This is Sandeep Chaudhary from Yes Union Junior College Pune. Let's start second part of Indian weavers. Second stanza. Weavers weaving at fall of night, why do you garments so bright? Like the plums of peacock, purple and green, we weave the marriage veils of a queen. In second stanza, poet again meet Indian weaver at the fall of the night. Fall of the night means it is the beginning of the night, at the time of dusk. Here, when poet meet at the time of night to the Indian weaver, she raised the question. What is the question? Dear weaver, why do you weave a garment so bright, colorful? Here, the question is raised by the poet to Indian weavers, and now answer is given by Indian weaver. Like the plums of peacock, purple and green. Yes, I am creating new cloth having various colors. Plums of peacock, beauty, purple color, green color. We weave the marriage veils of a queen. And in second stanza, Indian weaver declares that he is weaving the cloth for marriage. Here for the queen, marriage veil. Marriage veil means fine material worn by a woman to protect or conceal the face. Usually, marriage clothes has been given vital importance in Indian tradition, and so the cloth which are created weaved by Indian weaver having various colors like the plums of peacock, there is a direct comparison, there is a simile. Poet used simile to compare beauty of the bride's cloth with the beauty of the peacock. Plums of peacock, purple color, green color. Here, so in second stanza, poet describes that second stage of life, that is adulthood, marriage, which is very important. Here, in this age, people started loving each other. They want family. They want to start separate family, and so in second stage in adulthood, poet describes here that the evening that creating a beautiful purple green wedding veil for a queen. Here again the same rhyming scheme appears here, bright night, green and queen. Weavers weaving again alliteration, and second line, why do you weave a garment so bright? Here is interrogation, the question is raised. In second stanza there are three figure of speech: alliteration, interrogation and simile. Let's see last stanza of the poem. The purple and green color symbolizes sorrow and happiness, or struggle and the ease in one's adult stage. And these all colors or ups and downs of life makes the adulthood bright. See, third stanza and the last stanza of the poem. Weavers weaving solemn and still. Why do we weave in the moonlight chill? White as a feather and white as a cloud, we weave a dead man's funeral shroud. Again, in his third stanza, poet declares that she met Indian weaver, but what is the time? Moonlight chill. So here, the time is completely differed. In third time, when poet raised the question, which is night, and the moonlight chill. Solemn means formal, dignity, still is quiet, but chill, moonlight chill, here cold. Even night stand for negative things, death, lifeless things, cold things. So, in second line, poet raised the question, dear weaver, why do you working in the moonlight? And then replied is given by Indian weaver, white as a feather and white as a cloud, we weave a dead man's funeral shroud. Indian weaver declared he is creating the cloth, funeral cloth, white cloth for dead body. The third stage of the life, that is death, old age. In old age, at the time of death, here Indian weavers preparing white cloth. White color also stand for peace. The colorful dress stand for beauty of the life. But now, in third image, white color as feather, again simile. White as a feather, white as a cloud. The cloth which is created, weaved by Indian weaver is completely white as a feather. So simile. And why he is preferring white cloth? Because it will cover the dead man's body at the time of funeral. Shroud. Shroud means a cloth in which a dead person is wrapped. The dead body is covered. So, this student, in third stanza, poet want to tell you third stage of the life, that is adult, after adulthood, that is old age and the death. In this poem, using three stanzas, poet describes three stages of the life. Young means birth, child, marriage, old age or death. So in this poem, poet represents three stages of life, and these all stanzas are very significant as they indicate the moods related to the events. In this poem, we learn various figure of speech like alliteration, interrogation. There are same example of simile, because every time Sarojini Naidu raised the question using interrogation, and afterwards weaver answer with using simile. Even there is example of inversion, alliteration. Various color images have been utilized by the poet. I hope you understand analysis of the poem. Now we are going to solve brainstorming activities. Let's see. First activity, discuss with your partner about the following vocations. You're supposed to explain. There are four terms. Weaving. Weaving means method of forming a fabric or cotton cloth with the help of various instrument. Second concept, that is tailoring. Tailoring means the work of cutting, fitting and finishing. Then third, knitting. Knitting is process of interconnecting loops. And last term, that is embroidering. Embroidering means decorating. Decorating a piece of cloth with sewing on it. So weaving, tailoring, knitting, embroidering, all are the registers of the weavers. Let's start second activity. Discuss the various products made by Indian weavers in the poem. Now there are three products. Basically, first product, that is ropes, means the cloth which covers the body of the child, small kid. Second cloth, that is veil, that is the veil for the queen, the dress costumes of bride. And third is funeral shroud, the cloth for the dead body. Let's solve the table now. The time of the day, word, phrase and weaver's work is given there. First activity is already solved. Now we supposed to solve second, late in the evening, means what is the meaning? Fall of the night. And late in the evening, what is the weaver's work? He creates marriage veil for the queen. And cold at night, the word is referred as a chill, moonlight. Moonlight chill means the night time. And that time weaver is preparing shroud for the dead, funeral shroud, so dead body's cloth. And third activity now, here various color images have been used by poet in this poem. Let's see meaning. Color blue and feeling for the childhood. Blue stand for hopes, new beginning, expectation. For adult or youth, which color is used? That is purple and green. Plums of peacock, purple and green, and it represent confident or enjoyment. Third, old age, the white color is image is used, but white color represent feeling of loneliness, frustration. Let's attempt fourth activity. Complete following sentence. The weaver view in a chill moonlight. What type of dress? It is a white as a feather, white as a cloud. We view a dead man's funeral shroud. Next, activity number 5. Pick out 2 words used to describe the weaver in a last stanza. Also state their importance. So, solemn, still, and still. Those are the words used by the poet here. Solemn and still. The occasion was solemn, serious, and weaver's mood also matched with it. So, they did their work in a calm and dignified manner. So, we have tried to solve first few activities. Dear students, I hope you enjoyed watching second part of the video.